Jai Sanskar. In this segment, we are going to discuss about how development took place in places like French colonies and or Portuguese colonies. We know British East India came to India and acquired supremacy over entire India or all the princely state. But French East India Company was also came into India probably 100 years before Britishers came. There was a Portuguese sailor, Vasco da Gama, who discovered India. So that is why there were certain Portuguese colonies also. India merger of French and Portuguese colony. India emerged as an independent and sovereign state on 26th of January 1950. But certain colonies of French and Portuguese rule were still under the control. Union of India appealed the French controlled Pondicherry and Portuguese controlled Diu, Daman and Goa to merge with India. So it was a simple ask or a simple appeal to join with India because it was a part of India. India cannot have this kind of one way there is a Pakistan, another way they have this and these colonies are not vastly separated from India also. People of these colonies wanted to desperately join Union of India. They started vigorous movement for the purpose. The French tried to suppress this freedom movement. In Monmouth meeting organized in Pondicherry, people gave French government Hind Chodo slogan. The government started negotiation for peaceful solution of the Pondicherry issue with the French government. But people were not satisfied with that. In Yanam, People's Liberation Army had taken over administration in their hands, and on 13 June 1954, the French government realized people's rage and was compelled to start negotiation with Indian government. All the French colonies, Karaikal, Mahe, Yanam, Chandranagar are handed over to India for further reconstruction on October 31st, 1954, and further they were taken under Union territory of Pondicherry. With reconstruction of Indian state, Pondicherry, Karaikal in Tamil Nadu, Mahe in Kerala, Yanam in Andhra Pradesh and Chandranagar in West Bengal. Pondicherry is an administrative center for all this territory. Okay. So people of this particular area has this willing of joining Union of India, but French tried to suppress it, but people took control on their hands and they started showing rage towards them. There were also slogans like Hind Chodo, and also that is why at the end because of the people's determination, because of people's will and Sardar Patel's determination, it was possible that these all French colonies came back to India, and now they are part of Union territories. Merger of Diu, Daman and Goa. 15th August 1947, political leaders and satyagrahis entered Diu, Daman and Goa. In Free Goa agitation, thousands of volunteers died as attempts such as negotiation, persuasion and satyagraha proved to be unsuccessful. The Indian government decided to begin Operation Vijay to liberate Goa. On midnight of 19th December 1961, Portuguese Governor D. Silva surrendered to Indian government. The Indian army captured Goa, Daman, Diu and hoisted Indian flag there. Thus last remain of Western rule disappeared from India. On 12th March 1962, Goa, Dadra Nagar Haveli, Daman, Diu were merged in with Union of India. These states were known as Union Territory. On 13th May 1987, Daman, Diu were separated from Goa. Therefore, Silvassa is made capital of Dadra Nagar Haveli. Daman was made capital of Diu, and Daman was a Diu and Daman, and Panji was made capital of Goa. This is how end of entire Eastern people, let's just say foreigners, was eliminated, and entire India was emerged as a union of nation. And that's all for now. Thank you.